Hi everyone, I'm Hongsu Wang, the project manager of China Biographical Database Projects. This video will teach you how to install the CBDB Access database. First, we need you to confirm that you have already installed Microsoft Office Access in your computer. Second, I want you to confirm that you have already installed a decompressed software in your computer. After you confirm these 2 points, then let's download the CBDB Access database and install the database. First, I will share you a Dropbox link in advance this video, so you will get this link. After you open this link, directly click this download button. Don't register, don't download them one by one. Just click this download button and click or continue with download only. Then the file will be downloaded. And then you can decompress this file. Please don't just double click that and do the thing or do the queries here. You have to decompress all the files from this package to an independent folder. After that, we can run the queries. After you decompress the files in your computer in a folder, then you just click the CBDB underline 2 letters underline user, this file. It will open the CBDB Access. You will see this alert. Just click OK. Then click this Enable Content to enable the access to query the data in the CBDB database. After that, click the Relink table. Then click OK. Now, the CBDB Access database has been installed in your computer.